Hey Adrian, how's it going? This is Eddie from Boundless SEO. I was told you would be the correct person to watch this, so I really hope you're watching. And thank you, or should I say, NW Landscape Management, for giving us the green light to send this video to you. I'm here to audit your site while comparing your site to one of your competitors around your area. This video will explain what you have going behind the scenes of your website and how you can bring in more clients on your own just by using your website. I'm going to mainly be going over three things you can do today to help bring in more work. The three categories on this video are content, backlinks, and citations. Looks like this is your website here. This is a great website. The navigation is fairly simple. The colors are soft in the eyes. That's always a bonus. You do have a lot of content, which is great. Going through your website, I see you have great photos and a beautiful layout. Jumping on to the first category, typically you want to see around 1,500 words of text content. This will of course improve relevance to the services that you offer and a level of trust inside of Google for a better ranking. In these 1,500 words of content, Adrian, you really want to start inserting keywords organically without stuffing. What I mean by stuffing, in other words, would be spamming. An example would be having keywords all over the page, making it obvious your intentions are to throw these keywords. But if they're scattered without protocol, that's just going to hurt your website. You really want to avoid that. Believe it or not, Google will actually flag your website as spam. And for obvious reasons, I'm sure you don't want that. Let's jump into Arabs here real quick. This is your website here. This is what you have going. So this is a paid tool, by the way. You could do this on your own if you like, if you don't mind paying for it. Looks like your backlinks, you have over 1,000. Let's talk about this a little bit. When you think of the web, it's easy to imagine there are numerous websites linking to one another. Well, a backlink is just that. So it's a website that's sending traffic to your website via a URL or a hyperlink. Please be aware though that not all backlinks are created equal. If you add a backlink to your website that has nothing to do with the industry or services that you offer, that will actually hurt your website. You really want to avoid that. Backlinks are your UR level here. You're currently at 32 with the over 1,000 backlinks. Referring domains, you have 198, organic keywords 209, and organic traffic 153. So you have 153, approximately 153 people jumping onto your website on a monthly basis. The third and final thing I would like to talk to you about would be citations. A citation is essentially your company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. A directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. I'm sure you're familiar with one of those. Any one of those websites out there that allows business owners to list business information and services to create a new avenue for people to reach them. That is pretty much what a citation is, and that would fall under your DR meter here, 19, also with the referring domains. So again, over 1,000 backlinks, referring domains 198. It's giving you power here as 32 as a UR and DR19. Keep this at a 1-to-1 ratio is good practice. It would give you a better boost. Jumping onto one of your competitors, Olympic Landscape LLC. It looks like these people are taking all your leads. They're being found in the first page of Google, I should say. What they have going behind the scenes, they have over 1,000 also, referring domains 352, organic keywords over 1,000, organic traffic. They have over 1,000 people visiting their website in a monthly basis, of course. The UR 30 and the DR at a 8. Not in a 1-to-1 ratio, someone should tell them. However, they are getting more, they're on top of the list. But as you can see, you have more than them. So the power is 32 and the DR 39. You are declining. This might be because of the power of the backlinks that it's providing to your website and also the organic keywords. Let's talk about the keywords here. So last and most important, the keywords. These are the keywords I was referring to. Jumping onto their list here. I see they have... Let's go back actually. Over 1,000 keywords. With these two keywords alone, landscaping liquid and liquid landscaping, 600 people are searching for this services in a monthly basis. In other words, 600 people are searching every month for these services. Imagine those 600 people are finding you instead. Well, Adrian, this is what I have for you. If you enjoyed this video, let me know. I would love to hear your thoughts. Or if you're not interested, let me know that too. No harm, no foul. Feel free to email me any thoughts or questions. We can even take a phone call to further discuss. Thank you for your time, Adrian. Hope to hear from you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.